Hi, my name is Joseph and I am from Activa SG. I have been in the fitness industry for 8 years. After completing the Specialist Diploma in Healthy Aging and Community Care for Seniors with Republic Polytechnic, I realized the importance of lifelong learning to stay relevant in our industry. Activa SG has greatly benefited from the work-study program helmed by RP. We intentionally cultivate a growth mindset and actively encourage our staff to upskill. Our vision is to help seniors stay healthy and maintain a good quality of life. As the demand for competent trainers continues to grow, it's essential for our team to have relevant skills and the ability to keep learning. Partnering with RP through the WSP has been a truly rewarding experience. It supports our hiring needs while providing our staff with meaningful learning opportunities. We are grateful for the opportunity to mentor work-study talents. The mentorship training has equipped us to guide our staff effectively, allowing them to stay productive at work while remaining focused on their studies. One of our WSP talents is Desmond. I've had the privilege of mentoring him and witnessing his significant growth in training outcomes. It's inspiring to see him apply new skills and knowledge in his coaching sessions with our elderly clients. This journey would not have been possible without the right partners. The RP team has been exceptionally supportive throughout the work-study administrative process, ensuring all onboarding documents were completed accurately and well ahead of deadlines. We are also thankful for the government grants received upon course completion. The WSP with RP is a true win-win for employers and employees. If you are considering this for your company, I would say go for it.